Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So I usually do long involved videos. This week I'm just going to do something really short and sweet. If you want something long, you can watch my last video. I did a very long gameplay with Uncharted Legacy of Thieves. It's worth the watch. The vehicle chase scene alone is just great. Skip the first part if you're not interested in the game for the puzzles. Man, the chase scene is just, it's worth it alone. Anyhow, getting past that, we're going to do a quick unboxing of a 4070 I just got. So it's MSI's Ventus 3 times, which means it has 3 fans, graphics card. So it's 4070, but the big thing is it has 8-pin for power. So we'll go over a little bit, but mostly we're just going to show you an unboxing. I don't know if I've done just an unboxing, but here we go. Okay, so here's the graphics card itself. So again, the Ventus 3 times GeForce RTX 4070. We're going to get it out. Of course, some of the things it has, DLSS3, ray tracing, reflex, and studio. All right, it's the overclock edition, which a lot of reviews out there of the live, which I don't even know what that is. I guess it's just for live streaming. But in any case, we're going to get to this and have a look at it. So we're going to get it out. I have already opened it up before, but we're going to have a look at that too. So on the outside of the box, basically tells you it's triple fan, Torx fan 4.0, copper base plate, core pipes, MSI center, of course, comes with it. Of course, that's the software MSI uses. Some of the key features, dedicated ray tracing cores, dedicated tensor cores, already said DLSS3 game ready, and NVIDIA studio drivers. Now, it depends on which one you want. I usually game ready. I'm not sure what the difference is, to be honest. NVIDIA GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Broadcast, whole host of other features, G-Sync, GPU Boost, PCI Express Gen 4, Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, Vulkan, and HDCP 2.3. Okay, again, it's supposed to be just an unboxing, but I'm going too far. Anyway, if you have questions, let me know. It is the 12 gigabyte GDDR6X, 192-bit DisplayPort times 3, and HDMI 1. So let's get it out of the box and have a look at it. So, opens up here. Very conveniently has these little handles here. Pull it out with. Oh. Doing it the right way is always helpful. Otherwise it falls on the floor. Not what you want for your first graphics card that's a 4070, which mine is. Okay, comes a little thing on top. Okay, you have your MSI graphics card quick user's guide, and of course the card itself. Now let's see if there's anything else in the box here, but let's get it out of the packaging. So it has a base plate, of course. This still on the bottom just to protect it. Looks pretty slick. And like I say, you've got the 4 ports here, which I'm just going to undo this here so you can have a good look at them. Okay, so we have 3 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, right? Which is kind of nice. And the thing I like the most about it, I don't like the 40 series graphics cards with all the issues they have with power and things melting. I just decided not to get it. But this one has the 8-pin for power, right? So you can use your just regular 8-pin power connector from your power supply and you're good to go. It's very light. It's not super thick either. It's only about 2 slots wide. About 2 slots wide, and it's pretty much more on par with what people have come to expect over the years. All right. I am super impressed with this. Again, it's just an unboxing, so I won't be going into details of how well it performs, because we all pretty much already know that. Let's have one last look to see if there's anything else in the package, just in case I missed something. I'm not sure what exactly that was there for. It doesn't seem to be anything else. No, just the packaging. Oh, not sure where that little cutout was supposed to be. Well, there's nothing there, so anyhow, And that's it. One of the nicest graphics cards I've actually bought in quite a while. And I'm going to add to this. I have the AMD Radeon 6700XT TUF Gaming graphics card, which is right there. Now, I did a video on that a little bit later, or earlier, I should say. And I was having issues with the game I was running in. I thought it was crashing my system. Turns out there's nothing wrong with it. I've had it tested independently by a different person, different company, and it comes out everything is great. So this all happened at the same time as I had the driver issues that was going on with AMD. They were having problems with the 6700 series or 6000 series graphics cards, and at the same time I had a CPU that was causing some issues. All that factored in. Turns out it was never the graphics card. So anyway, I just thought I'd update you on that. I can't talk today. Blah, blah, blah. And that's it. So those of you that are really interested in this card, I swear by it. It is pretty damn sweet. And I will do some testing on it. I don't know if I'll do a video on it or not, to be honest, because I don't usually test graphics cards. There's so many people that do them when they first come out. If you want to see that, let me know. I will go more in depth and tell you everything you want to know. If you have questions, however, because I will do this on my own regardless, put it in the comments and I'll get back to you on it. Because ultimately, I will be running on a new system I'm going to be building, which is right there in the background, a case I just did a review on not long ago. And we'll do a system build. But for now, that's all there is. All right, so that's an unboxing with a little bit more than a normal unboxing. Because usually they open the package and show it to you, but I don't know, it just seems too simple and you don't get enough out of it. So quick unboxing, show you what it looks like, tell you a couple features. I'll put more in the description so you have that in case you really want to know more. But ask me a comment if you really want to know more. I will get back to you. I get rid of so many bits of information that even I don't know right at the beginning. I look them up, I research them, and I put them in the comments. And sometimes I put them in the description if it's something I find that is really of interest. So if you want to know, don't forget to ask. If you like the video, if you like this new style, just something a little different, let me know. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, hit that like. Helps out a lot. If you're new here, think about subscribing. Hit that bell for notifications. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care.